Car enthusiasts from all over the world come to SEMA Show, which only happens here in Las Vegas each year. But whether you're into cars or not, you're sure to find something to love or appreciate at this specialized event.
SEMA, which stands for Specialty Equipment Market Association, is a trade event showcasing products that allow us to personalize our rides, whether that ride is a car, a truck, RV, or even an off-road vehicle. Hundreds of vehicles flood the 2,400 exhibits, occupying over 1 million square feet of space here at the Las Vegas Convention Center. People from all backgrounds battle the crowds, stand in long lines, and walk the show floors just to make the most of their SEMA experience, even when it's not their first time attending this event.
There's always something new, you know, especially technology. I mean, the technology changes daily, it seems like. You could have this really cool piece of equipment today, and 2 years from now, it's so outdated and there's something new to look at.
This year, thousands of attendees enjoyed the many contests with prize giveaways and the various live performances, as well as getting first-hand experience at drifting in vehicles manned by professional drivers. All safety precautions taken, of course. Others were even able to experience not only virtually, but actually driving an off-road vehicle. A walk through the multiple halls and tents gets you through just about every type of vehicle you can dream of, all enhanced or tweaked with aftermarket products being showcased to the over 70,000 domestic and international buyers attending this trade show.
So you see, SEMA is not simply about your ride and having fun personalizing it. Because although it was started by people who turned their passion for cars and trucks into a career, it continues to grow into something bigger year after year. You see, back in the days, they just showcased their work and how they did it. But now here in SEMA, you can see the latest and greatest in what the builders are doing to their cars, including the products they use to personalize them, and even learn how they put together their masterpieces.
In addition to the undeniably fun factor, SEMA member companies view the show as being filled with opportunities to position their business for more profit in the coming years. The SEMA Show represents the over $41 billion automotive aftermarket and is the only trade show complete with every aspect of the automotive industry, from engine parts to restyling and enhancement products, to restoration and street rod components and safety products. One of these developing aftermarket opportunity is the Advanced Driver Assist Systems, or ADAS, which includes all of the advanced vehicle technologies related to safety, connectivity, and navigation.
Cars are even easier to steal now than they used to be. It's kind of insane. And so, you know, that's one of the key things on the security side that we can offer.
Yesterday we were researching the 360 camera views and the lane assist, that kind of thing, from the aftermarket. Pretty cool. Bringing older cars into the new technology with the aftermarket companies is pretty cool.
From SEMA 2017, I'm Anna Kui from the Las Vegas Bureau, and I'm 1 with 25.
Hello digital nesters, thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to watch our future features.